Welcome to Education Lifeline. This is Trishita Paul, and today we'll be looking at shifting absolute value graphs. More specifically, how absolute value equations indicate transformations of graphs. Now, if you haven't watched our previous videos on absolute value, they will be linked in the description below, as well as in the top right-hand corner of your screen. Please check those videos out before watching this one. As we have mentioned in our introduction to absolute value video, graphs of the absolute value are in some shape of a V. The parent function of an absolute value graph, f of x is equal to the absolute value of x, would look something like this, where the vertex will be located at the origin with an axis of symmetry at x equals 0. Its slope is m equals 1 on the right side of the vertex and m equals -1 on the left side of the vertex. We can translate, shrink, stretch, and reflect the graph using the form of the equation y equals a times the absolute value of x minus h plus k. When asked to graph absolute value, it will be easiest if the equation is in this form. First of all, this equation indicates that the vertex of the graph is at the point hk. H and k both indicate translations. More specifically, k denotes vertical shifts, while h denotes horizontal shifts. A positive k shifts the graph up, and a negative k shifts the graph down. However, the opposite is true of h. It is important to remember that a positive value of h shifts the graph left, while a negative value of h shifts the graph right. The axis of symmetry of an absolute value graph is at x equals h, and the slope of the graph is at m equals a. The value of a determines how to dilate the graph. If a is negative, the graph is reflected across the x-axis. If a is between 0 and 1, it is a vertical compression, but if a is greater than 1, it is a vertical stretch. For horizontal stretches and compressions, a number will be placed inside the absolute value sign, like the example given here. If this video was helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to Education Lifeline. Be sure to watch part 2 to this video where we graph transformations of absolute value, and check the description below for other helpful resources. Thanks for watching.